Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cheetos Flaming Hot Mac and Cheese Cheetos. These are microwavable, you can see the instructions here, and I'm going to show you what it's like. Just gonna open it up here, and they have the cheese pack there on top. You have to take that out before you pour in the water and microwave it. That's what the dry noodles look like there. Then you just pour in some water to the fill line. You don't fill it all the way up. You want it to that line that's there in the cup. Then after you microwave it, you just add in your cheese mixture. What I like to do sometimes is add some meat, like beef jerky and stuff in there to have some meat to it. But this is all you have to do. Mix it all together, and that's what it looks like. So I hope this review helps.